Good morning, students. This video is specially prepared to complete your project work for class 9th in social study. As in all WhatsApp group of class 9th, I usually told you that you have to complete your project work within 2 days and you have to submit it in your homework portal on Wednesday. So, in this video I am telling you that how you have to prepare your project which you have to submit on this Wednesday, and what will be your project. I am also discussing the question with you. The same project question will be given you as your homework, which you must submit on Wednesday, or in Tuesday also you can submit, but the last date is Wednesday. And it is very important as 5 mark, it is 5 marks project, and these 5 marks will be added in your term 1 examination result. So keep this thing in your mind that it is mandatory to submit your project by Wednesday itself in social science in your homework portal. So in this video I am telling you that what will be your format to prepare your project in social science. So that first of all I will discuss that what will the point which you include your project work. First of all, the project report will be developed and presented in this order. So what will be the order? That first page of your project you will call the cover page. You will not supposed to write cover page, but this first page where you supposed to, in the middle of the top, you have to write down project title on top. Project title I am discussing in the video. Then in the middle you will write down the school name and year, that the Horizon School, and the session is 2020-21. Now in the end of the right hand side you will write down your name, student's name, it means your name, your class and section and subject. Now at the end page means here corner left hand side you will write down submitted to my name Kalpana Kothari ma'am, and the right side you will write down your information. Now the second page of your project you will write down list of contents, it means with page number. So here I am discussing this particular format, but the need is that as we are having only 2 days, so you have to complete your project within 2 days, and but in the same format. Now the second page you will write down the contents. The page may be 2 or 3, that you can write down that what heading you are using during your doing the projects. So headings you will divide list of contents, it means the page number plus the headings which you are adding in your project. On the third page you will write down acknowledgement. What is acknowledgement? You will write down the heading acknowledgement. Acknowledgement, the thing that when you are preparing this project, what type of from that you are getting the resources or the source which you are using in your project. So you have to write down the name of resources which are you used while completing your assignment or project. Suppose you are using NCERT book history, then you will write down its name. Then maybe you are using some information from the authentic magazine, your siblings, your parents, so you have to give them thank in the form of acknowledgement that the sources which you used to complete this assignment or project. So you have to write down these books names or whatever helping hands who helped you to complete the project. Third page of assignment will be acknowledgement. Now the fourth page you will write down project overview. What is project overview? That on the fourth page you will write down the purpose or the aim or the method which you use to complete the project. That purpose, the first of all, that why you are making this project, what will be the benefit, what you will learn from the project, then what method you have used. You have used a, you can say, written method, and you have what you have to write down 1 or 3 lines your experience, that how you felt when you are completing this project, where you have used some books or your helping hands, your elder brothers or your parents or magazine. So you have to, in 2 or 3 lines, you have to write down your experience, your methodology and your purpose. It is known as a project overview, and it in any project this project overview will be having the fourth number of page. Then on the Fifth page you will write down chapters with the relevant headings. That what chapters means the headings. What headings you have used to complete your project. The only heading you will, 3 or 4 whatever you will use, you will write down the headings. Now on the sixth page you will write down summary and conclusion. Yes, before starting the project you will write down one paragraph of summary, and the second you will write down 3 or 4 lines conclusion. The summary, that what is all about the project, and conclusion, what you understood by the project, what conclusion you will find after completing the project of SST. So here I have discussed you that this will be the format, how the first page will be layouted, then the second page what you supposed to write, then the third page you have to show your thanks, whatever resources you have used. On the fourth page you will write down the purpose, aim of the project. Now you will write down. Then methodology, what method you have used, written method or the you can say there are so many methods to complete the project. And then experience in a line, that how you have felt after completing the project. Then sixth page, fifth page, chapters, what relevant heading you have used, that only the name of the headings. Then the summary, one paragraph, small paragraph of summary of the project, and then conclusion. Although it has done in the last, but in the pattern of the project you have write down on the sixth page, summary and the conclusion of the project. So it is all about the format. Now that how you supposed to actually write down the project. Your project for SST in 9th class, difference among the first, second and third state people. Then politically, how they were different, and economically, as it is the first chapter of history, the French Revolution. So I have decided that you have to complete this project, and it will be easy also, as you have completed the chapter in a very first of the session, and you can make it very attractively, as you have already discussed and explained the topic very well by the teacher also. And you are having your old on NCERT folder also, so the resource will be available at your home. That's why I have chosen this project especially for the 9th class. So their title of the topic is, you have to create a difference among first, second and the third state. First spelling, it is FIR. It is FIRST. It is first. Okay, FIRST. The first, second and third state people. Spelling FIRST. Correct the spelling your own. Then politically, how they will different politically and economically. So in the first page, this is the first page will be of your project, difference among first, second and third state people politically and economically. Then in the middle you will write down the name of the school, the Horizon School, and year, session 2020-21. Then it will be your first page. Then the first page, submitted to whom you supposed to submit your SST project, me, means name of teacher, Miss Kalpana Kothari. No need to write down ma'am, only submitted to Mrs. Kalpana Kothari. Then submitted by, now your own name. Okay, student name, you will not write down student name, you will write down directly your name, your class, 9th and section, which section you study. So here it will be your first page of your project. Title of the project, difference among first, second and third state people. How you have to create, on which basis, politically and economically. Then name of school, year, session, submitted to and submitted by. So you can see that the format, how the first page will be layout. This thing you have to keep in your mind, that there are 3 or 4 lines remain. In the same manner you have to write down. Even you can write down this thing on downwards also, more downward. It depends on the length of the page. Now on the second page you have to write down list of contents. As I have given you topic, so the project, that list of content on the second page you will write down that what topics you are taking to define the project very well. That suppose that I have given that you have to create difference among the first, second and the third state people. So definitely you will describe the first state people economic and political condition, how much they are free, what were their limitations. Second, then you describe the second state people economically and politically, and then third state people economically and politically. So you have just a list of content, you have given the idea that what will be discussed in your project. It will known as a list of content and it will be the second page of your project. Then the third state people ho gaya. Then fourth, another heading you can use, that social freedom of all and their limitation. Then definitely you will write down that how these all third state, first state, second state people politically and economically free and what were their limitations. So I have just given you idea. You are free to take more relevant contents in your project, but here I just given you the idea so that you will be very much aware that how you have to make a project is not only that you are writing an answer of a question in a one page. Project is something different. That's why I especially made a video for you, so that in a quick manner you come to know that what, how and why you have to make a project. Now it will be the second page of your project. Now the third page, acknowledgement will come. Acknowledgement, you will write down, I am very thankful or grateful the resources which I have used to complete my project. And these resources, definitely you will use a book, so then you will write down the book, okay, the history book, whatever, and then NCRT. Then whatever media or magazine or your sister and brother, if you are taking their help, you will note down their name also, okay. So it will be the third page of your project and it is known as acknowledgement. Now the fourth page of your project, now you have to write down purpose of the project. What is your aim? So I am giving you how you have to suppose to write your aim of project or purpose. I had completed this project as it is very significant chapter in my history section, which will help me to understand the reason behind the French Revolution in France. As we know that the exploitation of third state people became a solid reason for French Revolution, which occurred in 1789. So there you have to write down, you can write down any another significant point, that how, what purpose you have to find out at. It is your very first chapter of history, that's why it become very important for the theoretical examination also, that you studied more deeply to complete this project. So here you have to write down the purpose of your project. It will be your fourth page. Now the fifth page, where you have to write down chapters or headings of the project. So it can be done by yourself, because if I will write down, then you can copy. So you, how you are using the content, what heading you have decided to complete, it will be different from each and every student. So that's why I haven't written any particular headings, as it is up to you that how much. Maybe you are giving 6 headings, maybe some of you are giving 3 headings only, 2 heading, at least more than 2 you have to write down the headings of your project. So here you have to write down the headings which you supposed to including in your project. It will be your fifth page. Now the sixth page, you have to write down one paragraph summary about whole project. You know that what is a summary? The summary is all about the project and it will be only one paragraph, it is sufficient, okay. And that what is happen, how economically and politically all these people are differentiate, how it create tension among the third state people, especially what type of people are included in third state, everything in a summary, so that is just like a gist that what is all about the project. Then at last 3 and 4 line conclusion, that what you understood, what was the result of this differentiate in France, and it results into this French Revolution, as we know. So you have to write down the conclusion. Now your project is starting mainly from 6th page, where you have to suppose to start your project. First of all you will give the introduction, that introductory part, what you supposed to write, that in France during the 1789 and before the 1789, how the people segregated in the society in terms of first, second and third state. It will be your introduction. Then you supposed to write your project, okay. And in this manner your project will be completed. The words limit for your project is not more than 80 to 100 words. Your project should be ended within one page of this register. Okay, introductory part, then you have to suppose the remaining page you have to use as a 80 to 100 words main project. So in this manner you supposed to complete your project of SST in such a manner that it will be your project work, and it is mandatory. The last time I am saying you that you have to submit your SST project work by Wednesday, on coming Wednesday, so that you can get 5 marks bonus in your term 1 examination. And depends that how much, it depends your work, that what you have and how you have to prepare your project, and you have to submit on a student portal, homework portal, by its Wednesday. Thank you. God bless you.